Some ICOs take in more money than expected. Andreas, how does this affect investments?
First of all, if you raise money, you should have a plan for how much money to raise and what you're going to do with this money. And if you raise more than this means you cannot keep up the return on capital that you planned for to begin with. So every dollar above the what you have used for is diluting the shareholders. And we see some of these ICOs, they accept like 10 times as much as they plan to, and then defend this with, okay, but we have this enormous cost of production of this, but you should have planned this before you started accepting money. We also see some removing the hard cap the same hour, more or less, than that the ICO starts. And this, we're going to look back at this in 2018 and see that that's just fraudulent. Those companies will probably not exist anymore.
So what's the implications of this when they're taking in way much more money than they need?
You as an investor will lose money from putting in money in this. Because again, if I have a plan for 10 million, I can use that, and I maybe have calculated I will turn over this amount and it will have this return, and this will be the bottom line. And everything about this, if I don't have a perfect plan for it, it means it's going to be used for nothing or spent on something that we don't need.
So many ICOs have got percentages that 1.5% will go to marketing, 2% will go to shareholders, etc. How does this affect if they take in 10 million or then 50 million? Then will that follow on?
This is also something I have a problem with, because most of these costs are fixed. It's not going to cost you more in marketing if you raise 4 million as if you raise 40 million. It's going to be the same cost. So why would I as an investor accept paying not a fixed fee for this? Also, the legal fees, they're not scalable too. It's not going to cost me twice as much to accept twice as money, because it's not going to mean that I have twice as much to do. So those charges should definitely be fixed.